Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you, I believe, probably the only one in the country at this time. It's a 2021 DRV Mobile Suites Full House. It's their Toy Hauler edition. That is a full-time livable toy hauler made by DRV Mobile Suites. It's going to be a full, true, all season. Very heavy frame structure, can handle large capacities and give you all the creature features of being at home. As you look at it, it's just a beautiful paint job, triple axle, heavy suspension, disc brakes, all the bells and whistles that really make it the top of the line toy hauler out there in today's market. Come on inside and I'll show you the interior. So on the inside, when we come in, looking at the door side slide out of our living area, we got the large triple door Whirlpool residential refrigerator. Dinette area with a pull-out table and an add-a-leaf and two more folding chairs to go with the dinette, as well as having a solid surface countertop area with drawers and cabinetry below and overhead cabinetry across the whole slide out. When we get into the living portion of this, we have the Franklin furniture that is residential furniture, kind of an L-shaped furniture setup with the Furrion fireplace, the large LG smart TV, 55-inch with the JBL soundbar. Very good sound system for your movies, plays wonderful movies with great sound. Lots of cabinetry overhead. We get to the kitchen slide out. We got the large kitchen with the overhead cabinetry, the solid surface L-shaped countertop with the solid surface backsplash, Furrion 3-burner cooktop with the large oven, microwave convection, nice kitchen double sink area. Again, tons of cabinet space. This unit's going to have the large 5,500 watt generator, energy management system, power control system, large shower, large bedroom with king bed, vanity slide out with lots of drawers, and a walk-in closet all cedar lined with the built-in safe. Another big large flat screen TV with soundbar in the bedroom. Solid doors throughout. And then we have the large 12-foot garage, which the LX450 has, where you may not find any others. And this model does not have the half bath, so you get the full width of the trailer, as well as a 12-foot garage with the 3-season garage patio system, the ramp patio, the gates against the back, and the opposing dinette in the garage with the pop-out table, and an above bunk bed. So you actually have two sleeping areas in the garage with a double bunk setup and or a dinette setup with its own stereo system, insulated dual pane glass throughout, fuel station, just large capacities throughout, heavy duty tie downs. This is made on a box tube frame rail, so rather than an I-beam system, works out really good, and it's a super structure system with the more ride suspension and big axles with disc brakes that they put on this thing. So just kind of a quick rundown on the DRV Mobile Suites Fullhouse LX450 with the 12-foot garage. So again, my name is Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center in Junction City. If you have any questions on the DRV product, whether it be the Full House or any of the DRV lineup, make sure you contact me or call me direct at 541-979-1770. Again, Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center.